Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to show you how to turn off notifications from Google Chrome. So let's start. First, open the Google Chrome app. Now tap on the three dots on top right corner and go to Settings. Now tap on Notifications. To turn off notification for Google Chrome in general, disable the Show Notifications option and you will not receive any notification from Google Chrome. Now if you want to disable notification for specific actions, you can do it here too. For instance, if you don't want to see any active downloads, then just disable active downloads. And just like that, you have many other options. You can enable or disable any options you like. So if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.